DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Okay, I decided to put the original one back in. There's nothing wrong with it. As long as these boots don't crack, as long as they have grease in them, they'll last forever. Plus, the Honda one is, see how it's just in two parts here and it's joined? I think that's for balancing. The aftermarket one I bought was just one piece, so I like to drive fast, so I'm afraid there'd be a balancing issue. But I mean, I really don't know. I know that this is way higher quality than the aftermarket one. So why not use it? I don't think anything's going to go wrong with this. Like I said, and they also use better material on these boots here. Honda does. So I'm putting it back together right now. I did put the new bearing in, of course. So I'm going to put it back together. On the other side, I'm going to leave the aftermarket one in until I need to reband, put new bands, because I took it apart. I need to put new bands on the other one and plug a little tiny hole with some Loctite 401 and Loctite 770 primer. When I do that, I will make a video. And then when I fix the other OEM one, I'll just switch it out. I'll just go through this again. I'm getting pretty good at it. Alright guys, onward and upward. Again, we got some surface rust on this because of, it rained yesterday. But this is a little bit of muriatic acid. Watch this shit, guys. It dissolves it right away. Ain't that slick? Sure beats sanding. And I'll tell you what, it beats that evaporust. Beats that shit all to hell. This is fast. Should probably wear gloves, but muriatic doesn't really hurt you that bad. Sulfuric, on the other hand, will eat you alive. I figured out a way. I got a new way of doing this. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. Where's my pick? I'll make sure there's nothing down there. So there you go. Put a little bit of assembly lube in there. Sweep it around just for grins. Actually, all you do is knead it on the top here, because as the bearing goes in, it'll squeeze it down. There ain't no room here. This is called interference to the max. Okay, we're ready for that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this sucker up. I'll get my temperature gauge and measure it. I want to get it up to about 300 degrees, maybe 350. Heat it evenly. Probably use my acetylene torch, but it'll be interesting to see how this works. I got the bearing in the freezer. It's been in there all night. So I read about, I saw a vid on this guy putting transmission bearings in. And heat this up to expand it, freeze the bearing to contract it, and maybe we can pound it right in, huh? I think he was using a heat gun. I've got a heat gun. I think this is faster. Anyway, I'll keep doing this. Another great idea from the UI. I'm just putting it on my little camp stove here. I'll get it up to about 200, maybe 250, I don't know. You can also put it in the oven, And I got my gloves ready, because it's going to be hot. And then I'm going to force it in with this one. On top of that I'll have this, and on top of that I'll have that. And then I'm going to beat it. I may get my big hammer, just in case. If the dead blow doesn't do it. But you know what? If it doesn't work, I'm hoping it'll just drop in. But if it doesn't work, hey, always got to press it in, And I got a little temperature gauge here. Ooh, 194. I don't want to heat it up too much. 170. 142, 150. But this heats it evenly. So let it heat up, and then I'll go get the bearing and set it up and pound it in. Alright, let's do this. It's around 200 maybe. I'm still going to wear my gloves. I'll set you aside. Put you... Where was you? Where was you? Oh yeah, right there. Alright, let's get the bearing. Make sure the magnetic end is down. Let's see, this is about 8 degrees. My freezer is about 8 degrees, so that's quite a difference. Where are you? There you are. This is the brown side here. The brown side is the magnetic side. Man, I would shit if this dropped right in. Can't get my knife because of... This should be the magnetic side here. Double check. Yeah. Alright, baby. Go in. doesn't want to squeeze in. I think this side needs more. Going in a little bit. And we're going to have to press it. Look at that, that finally came apart. Balls flying everywhere again. You. Alright. As my friend Skippy said, nothing is fucking easy. If I can remember how this all went. I think it was like that. What did I have? I had this thing. I think that's how it was. Fuck. Can't remember how I did it before. I think I remember now. This is under here. Fuck. I can see where it's higher there. Might have gone in if I pounded it in straight. Okay, let's try you again. Straighter anyway. Alright. What was this? I can't remember. that. Do we have another one? Yeah. Okay. Will this fit in now? It'll fit in enough. Close this. Helps to close that. It's going in. Bong. It's going in easier than the other one, I think. I'm not sure if it went all the way or not. I want to turn this thing around. Should really have some steel on top of that wood. I'm not sure if it's all the way. We're gonna do it some more. Balance that. There it went. I think that was... Wow. I think that's it. Let's see if the snap ring goes in. If you fuck this up, you gotta do it all over again. You gotta buy a new bearing. Please, Lord, have me not fucked it up. Let me not have fucked it up. Looks good. It looks good. Well, that was one of the harder jobs. I'm glad it's done. Look at that, that other bearing fell apart. Now I got 28 balls. Okay, let's see if the snap ring will go in. Let's hope I got the magnetic side down. I'm pretty sure I did. It's brown. And there's the hole for the sensor. Right there. It's magnetic. Balls everywhere. Where'd that ball go? There you are. I was wondering how that other one comes apart. Oh, look at that snap ring, went right in. A little bebopper. Make sure it's seated over here. I had a drift. Where'd my drift go? I got a nice cleanup to do after this, since I made a new rule to keep things clean. Fuck, where the fuck did that drift go? There's a littler one. I don't think I put it over here, did I? Would I do that? Should probably turn off the camera, huh? This is getting boring. Boring. It's really pissing me off now. I can go away. Maybe it fell down. So much wind, wind everywhere. What does this do? This might do it. Part of a broken screwdriver. I just want to make sure this fucker is seated. I think it is. Yeah, it looks like it. I know these ends went in, so I think we're good. Not that this is ever coming out, huh? I don't know why they have a snap ring. Some kind of a safety deal, I guess. Not having that drift, that's really starting to twerk me. Alright, onward and upward. Now it's time to put this in. From the right side. Back to the press. It's turning into a long segment. Back to the press. And on this one, we push on that. I gotta get the right socket if I even have it. Do I have it? Yeah. I don't think this end is that tight. Alright. Oh, it's a little too much. This is all the way up. Yep. Damn. Alright, well, what about this? Fuck. Oh yeah, this one even. Oh yeah, this will fit inside here. Well, that'll be alright. Yeah, we're cool. Center that. Alright. I love it when a plan comes together. Center it. Make sure this fucker is centered. It's going in. Little toys. that's good. The back of my aquarium. Alright. Beautiful. It turns, which is good. Minor detail. Alright, let me get set up here and then we'll put this in. The reason I tied that up is so I spin the other side and make sure it was spinning freely because it was rubbing on something. Okay, first I'll take a little Ace acetone. I want to clean this part. This is a taper fit, okay? And taper fits will hold like you wouldn't believe because you got all this area of friction, you know? But if there's oil on them, and not so much. That's what happened on the other side. But this time I'm going to put this nut on first, so. And I greased it, and I got a new booty. But like I said, you can't, this is somehow part of it, so the best I can do is just cut it away and, you know, how hot is this? Let's cut this sucker. This is how you can make cable ties bigger. You hook two of them together, or more. Usually the big ones, the expensive ones, I'll stick something in here and take them apart, but, you know. So let's put a little anti-seize on this. Maybe a little assembly lube, just for grins. Make these splines match. Should be okay. And put this baby on. Well, we gotta do two things. We gotta put this through here, put that on there. I gotta stick this through here. There it goes. Alright, so now you know what, I don't want to do this yet. I want to do that nut tight. So let's do that. Because this is the other way to do it, is you just loosen this part, you leave this attached. Well, you can't because you got to put bearings on. So never mind that. I mean, if you're going to go through this, you know. That going on? Yeah. Not a battery. I think that fucker is still spinning, you know that? Alright, I gotta recharge this battery. That takes some time. I don't have another one.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the number one stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.